Okay, alright. In Autocad, before you start any drawing, you must set up your workspace. And to set up your workspace, you just bring your cursor here to the command line down here, and then you type limits, then you hit enter, and then you specify 0, 0. When we specify 0, this is the start of our working page. Let's say, for example, if you consider the y-x-axis, the starting point is 0, 0. Okay, after that you hit enter, then it asks you to specify the upper right corner. Okay, that is, let's say, for example, 200, 200, then hit enter. After that, we should zoom our workspace. So you press that, then enter, then you say F for all. After that, you need to set your units. Are you drawing architectural, engineering, or what? And in which units? In centimeters, inches, millimeters, whatever units you can use. So to do that, you need to type units on the command line. Units, and then after that you hit enter. After you have typed units, you hit enter, then this pen appears. This panel, after it appears, you can choose if it's architectural, buildings, engineering, scientific, fractional, but for now we use decimal. Then the precision here, we set the number of decimal places or fraction displayed for linear measurements. So here it just have 0, and here it shall have millimeters. Then you click OK. After that, now we can draw our structures, anything. Here we have the tools to draw. Let's say, for example, I want to draw a line. Pick this command line for a line. Specify the first point. Where do you want your line to start? Say, for example, here. Then the second point here. Then the other point here. Then the other point, say, for example, here and here. Then you press escape to terminate that command. You see? Okay guys, thanks for watching. Let's meet in the other lesson.